In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on your PC. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to google.com, then type MT5. And make sure that you choose this one, MetaTrader 5 trading platform for Forex. So click on it. And you have to choose download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. If you have Mac, you can choose Mac or Linux from here. Okay, so click on download. And you have to choose the place where you want to download it. So for me, I will choose desktop, for example. Click on save. And here, as you can see, this is our MT5 setup. So click on it one time. Click on yes. And now you have to click on next. Wait for a few moments. And as you can see, we have here, congratulations, we are waiting for you now. Click on finish. And let's go to our desktop. And you will see MetaTrader 5 there. Okay, let's go here. This is MetaTrader 5, as you can see here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.